Man and animals are born in nature, and they live in harmony with nature. Natural plants have been a source of nutrition and well-being for their growth and survival. One fine morning, walking through a garden of herbs, a man saw a ray of hope for the well-being of animals. That compassionate man was Sri Ram Lal Agarwal, a renowned expert on identification and therapeutic application of herbs. He was fascinated by the virtues of the 5,000-year-old Indian system of medicine called Ayurveda, which deals with the use of herbs for treatment of human beings. His inborn love for animals initiated a new thought in his inquisitive mind. If this natural form of treatment is good for humans, why can it not be applied to animals? Thus began his dedication to research on herbal products for animals, and the foundation was laid for Indian herbs in 1951. Since then, the scientists at Indian Herbs have investigated what our ancestors did 5,000 years ago. Searched, researched, scientifically developed, pharmacologically tested, and clinically evaluated herbal products on modern scientific lines using the latest technology. This created a unique blend of traditional glory with modern science. The theme, Nature's Way to Animal Health, adopted by Indian Herbs, gives a true expression to the company's philosophy. A new dimension to this was added by his son, Mr. Sushil Agarwala, through development of natural vitamins, amino acid sources, feed supplements, feed ingredients, and complementary feeds, all based on research into herbs.
It was something like the man who saw into the future. Today, in this world of chemicals, the need for herbal products is being felt more and more. There is a green wave and a tendency towards the natural products, and the animals which give us the milk, meat and eggs, the source of protein for our food, that has to be free from any residues of antibiotics or any chemical products. And the herbal products of Indian herbs are meeting these requirements. We wish all the best to our patrons and to our users of the products. Thank you.
His work for developing veterinary Ayurveda as a science for animal healthcare and productivity enhancement is duly recognized by National Academy of Veterinary Sciences, India, by conferring honorary fellowship on him. Research and development has been pivotal in the progress of Indian herbs, and recent development of more than 200 successful formulations for different animal species such as poultry, swine, cows, buffaloes, sheep and goats, canines, felines and equines, camels and wildlife, as well as for fish and other aqua species for use as healthcare and nutritional products. Indian Herbs has 22 patents in USA, Europe and India, and many patents are pending for innovative research on herbs and herbal products. Indian Herbs continues to be the market leader and pioneer company, producing herbal animal healthcare products and one of the top 4 companies in total veterinary market in India, successfully competing with synthetic chemical products of multinational companies. The dynamic team of scientists at the R&D Center in Indian Herbs include botanists, chemists, pharmacists, microbiologists, pharmacologists, clinicians, etc. in different departments such as agronomy, pharmacology, phytochemistry, formulation, microbiology, quality control, literature survey, animal house, veterinary and medical services, etc. The R&D Center is equipped with the most modern and sophisticated instruments such as HPLC, HPTLC, GCMS, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, etc. The best available systems for standardization and quality control of herbal products. The clinical evaluations are done at different geographical locations and in different animal species, also in comparison to known chemical products at animal farms, feed mills and universities in India, and large production countries in Brazil, Mexico, Europe, South Asia, etc. The results of these thorough, in-depth and intensive research studies have been published in the form of more than 750 research papers in eminent scientific journals. More than 190 scientists have been awarded higher degrees such as MVSc or PhD for their outstanding research on these herbal products, covering various aspects of animal nutrition and healthcare. In realization of its achievements, the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, has granted it recognition and a formal certification in 1986. Indian herb scientists select the best herbal materials from chosen locations at right altitudes with proper soil and environmental conditions, harvest at the optimum time and ensure the correct post-harvest treatment and storage. Each herbal ingredient is authenticated by experts involving both macroscopic and microscopic examinations. The bioactive principles of herbs and their chemical structure are also determined. Like the thumbprint of two individuals can never be identical, the fingerprint chromatogram of any plant constituent can't be identical as well. It is this that forms the basis of standardization of herbs and polyherbal mixtures. The raw herb or finished product is extracted with different organic solvents, which are then applied to HPLC or HPTLC plate in micro quantities. The chromatogram is then developed and scanned using a computer-controlled viewing system that quantifies the individual components. The unique spectrum of a peak is used to confirm the identity of a particular compound. Besides the in-process control tests as per standard norms, the finished products are also subjected to strict quality control tests like physical-chemical analysis and HPLC or HPTLC fingerprinting. The uniformity of the spectra of each manufactured batch with the standard reference chromatogram ensures batch-to-batch consistency and quality of the finished product. In addition to the first production facility located at Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, another more sophisticated and larger capacity production facility has been established at Manakpur Baddi, Himachal Pradesh in the lap of the Himalayas. Both these facilities are well equipped with state-of-the-art equipment manned by highly qualified and trained technologists and backed by a refined manufacturing culture. Packing of finished products is done using modern automated systems that weigh or count, fill and seal the packs online. Indian Herbs was the first to get GMP certification for manufacturing of Ayurvedic, human and animal healthcare products from the Government of India. Indian Herbs has also obtained ISO 9001-2008 certification from DNV, the Netherlands, and fulfills all requirements for GMP Plus certification for herbal feed ingredients and compound feeds. Indian Herbs has the largest and most professionally managed marketing and sales force of more than 200 field officers, backed by an efficient network of 50 company depots, around 800 distributors and a large retailer base throughout the country. Indian Herbs products have been authorized for marketing in many countries around the world, spanning from South and North America to Europe, from Africa to Middle East, from Southwest to East Asian countries. The world map shows those countries where international marketing network for Indian herbs products has been established. For greater availability of quality herbal ingredients in desired quantities, the experts train the farmers for cultivation of such herbs with buyback guarantee arrangements to ensure regular availability of right quality herbal ingredients. Unlike hazardous antibiotics and synthetic chemicals, which are reported to cause residual toxicity, other side effects and pollution, herbal products being safe, eco-friendly, free from side effects and residual toxicity are becoming the obvious choice. Further, herbal products do not affect the taste or quality of milk, egg or meat, and there is no need for their withdrawal at any stage of production. They also strengthen the immune system, hence are most suitable for sustainable livestock healthcare, production and environment. To summarize, Indian Herbs sows the seeds of quality in nature, monitors the progression, reaps the harvest of efficiency, and provides satisfaction to the customers in terms of efficacy, cost economics, and freedom from toxicity. Indian Herbs is fully equipped to meet the growing needs for such herbal products for better health and productivity through nature's way.